So your hot water heater does not work on electric. This one should be easy because you told me that you can hear the click. So the sound of that relay clicking over tells me two things. You have power to the water heater itself, and you have signal from the switch telling it to turn on. And you have a relay working, which is supposed to power the heating element. The diagnosis is the same, but you may have a different location for the heating element on different water heaters. In your situation, I don't really need to know which one it is. So if you have a front-mounted element, it will usually be behind a black plastic plate with 3 ears, kind of oval-shaped, and it will say heating element directly on it. It could also be on the rear. There'll be a black box, plastic box on the lower portion of the water heater on the back that houses the relay. A dead giveaway will be the 14-gauge Romex wire going into it. If you have the one with the black box in the back, you may have to remove that box to access the actual heating element. There's a few other possibilities of where the heating element itself could be, but it's accessible from the front or the back, and it's going to look something like this. Excuse my crude drawing. It's going to be kind of like hexagonal, octagonal, and have a big nut on the outside of it. It's not completely round, and it will have 2 screws. One screw will have a white wire, and one will have a black wire. Now, I know these aren't black and white, but I can't draw in white on a whiteboard. Anywho, once you locate your heating element, you're going to test for 2 things. You're going to test the resistance, and you're going to test if it actually has voltage. Set your meter to AC voltage and check for voltage. You should have somewhere in the 117 to 122, somewhere in that range. Then set your meter to ohms. Check the resistance across them. If you get a reading of 0 ohms, or OL, then it's a bad element. I'd be willing to bet that you have a bad element. I know this wasn't the best training video because I'm at home now and I don't have a water heater in front of me. But because I know the water heater is getting voltage and I know that it's getting a signal from the switch because it's activating the relay, then 9 times out of 10 it's a heating element. Could still be a voltage issue, which is why I always check voltage first. If this still doesn't make sense, let me know. Let me know what your actual model number is too, and I can show you how to test for that on your exact model number.